absolutely no feelings hurt in the making of this video.
You can't take this guy fishing. He's really confused. Hey, knucklehead. I thought this was a fishing trip.
Wait, I got a 28 signal.
28? It's a bottle cap.
I already got the bottle cap.
Oh.
It's up there.
It's a real.
Yep.
Oh, it's in the scoop, whatever it is.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna say it's a quarter. Quarter for your fortune.
Yeah, it's a penny.
What? 28. Toss it up here. What?
Nice clean.
That's because we look
77.
alike. 1977. Toss it. Yeah. Oh, I like that one. By the way, how about that catch? All right, cool. I hear a signal.
Yeah, there's some bottle caps. I don't want to dig them, you know?
Well, you might as well get them out of the water. Conservation, right? Since you're not going to get anything, you might as well clean the lake.
The 12s and stuff.
Just turn off all the trash.
Because the way he looks? Or the fact that you thought that was funny, huh? Throw it up here.
Ready?
Go ahead. Oh, am I ready? Boop. Yeah, baby. We're six. Huh. What? Sorry. 6 cents richer.
Can I just sit in a tube?
There you go.
It's extremely heavy.
That's a big one.
It's
That's what we call the mother of all bluegills. Now take it off the hook.
Yeah, another signal. A 10, but it's not a
10 means gold ring.
not a clean 10.
Oh. I'm gonna say it's a piece of aluminum. Can you handle it? You want me to come in there and give you a helping hand? Oh, great shot. I've got the lure of a plastic frog right above your head. Make sure you don't have your phone in. What happened? You see it? Fishing lure?
Tin foil.
Hi, not aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil.
Exactly what I told you. Pew. I got it. That might be gold. I called it.
The fish has so much red.
I called it. We can repurpose this though. I can fill a cavity.
What?
You got a high signal?
Possible quarter.
Possible quarter? Well, unfortunately, I don't think it could be that old because I think this lake was built. When did you say it was built? In the 80s? There's another lake way down there where they just carved into the mountain and allowed all this water to come in. But they did that back in the 80s, so we're not going to find anything miraculously old. You missed it?
Something bigger.
What do you mean? Lead weight?
Can't get it.
Oh, it's still in there. Maybe it's Jimmy Hoffa's wristwatch. Attached to his arm.
It rang out much better before. Now it's
Getting junky? Maybe there's 2 signals. See, when you're an advanced detectorist like myself, we think of alternate possibilities. What is it? A knife?
spike or something.
Oh, that's a, no, why have I seen that somewhere before? Oh, I am the best. Oh, it's for like a hose or something, right? Call the owners of the house. We found a very important part of their water system. I bet they were looking for this. Funny, in just this little spot, you've had probably a dozen signals already. I'm wondering back 15 years ago when they were tapping their hands and dropped a ring in here, when you're going to find that. I hear something. It's a pebble.
Ready?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Throw it up.
Ready?
Stop asking that, please. Oh, I wasn't ready for that. Yes! 2001, I think. We're killing it. Another signal in the hole. The Knox is killing it. What's with all that duct tape on your scooper, bro? What happened there?
I saw tinfoil.
It's cinfoil. Darn you. See what I was talking about, the need for strength training? Look at the horrendous posture right now. I saw it. More cinfoil. Clear it out. Yes! I'm like 6 for 6 right now. I haven't missed one. Another signal, huh? What number you got? While you pick up some more tinfoil, I'm going to give him a scan of the lake. A lot of bluegills here. There are bass because we saw some smaller ones, but there can't be a lot of them because of our expertise at fishing. We have not caught one yet, and that's rare. Golden rock. Love that sound. There's nothing better than scooting on a kayak on calm water. What'd you bag?
Oh my God, if that goes on video.
Boop. Yes. Oh, look at that.
It's gonna be like the first Katie sighting.
First Katie sighting on YouTube.
Up until now, all that his channel has is someone that goes, what?
Well, yeah, well, you just did a great interpretation of that because I was videotaping it. Katie, I have a new fork. Do you want a fruity cocktail? I like a fruity cocktail.
How much sand do you have in here? You know? Can't get it.
Maybe I should come in and help. Oh, there it is. The pinpointing noise. It's your last chance. Here's the bounty so far. The quicker picker-upper. Whoa, 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 whoa. There was a dime? What's the date? I called 79.
Can't see it.
Oh,
Guess this one?
of course.
Ready?
Don't say that. And the big reveal. 1994. I was close. Not really.
that's happening.
The old man in the sea. Throw a wave, Uncle Paul. Isn't it funny how you can hear me? I don't even have to talk loud.
No.
Isn't that crazy?
We've been discussing that this whole time.
Yeah.
It's how weird it is. It's really
We hear
weird.
everything. This is a good place to spy on people.
Yes.
He is a resilient little bugger.
There's a little grass. Definitely